Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to crochet this flower coaster. In this side I have made the tulip stitch. So this is the tulip coaster. So for this project I am using 4 mm crochet hook and the yarn is 4-ply yarn. This is the cotton yarn. So I have used yellow, green and red color for this project. So you can use any color you want. Let's get started. At first, make a slip knot. Then make chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now slip stitch in the first chain to form a ring. Now work for round 1. Make 3 chain. 1, 2 and 3. This 3 chain count as 1 double crochet. Now make 15 double crochet in the center of the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So continue up to end. It will turn total 16 double crochet including this chain. Now we have got total 16 double crochet including this chain. Now work for round 2. Make slip stitch in this top of chain, in this third chain, 1, 2 and 3. Now work for round 2. Make 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3. This 3 chain count as 1 double crochet. Now make 1 double crochet in same stitch. So here we have got 2 double crochet including this chain. Now make 2 double crochet in next stitch. 1 and 2. Make 2 double crochet in next stitch. 1 and 2. Make 2 double crochet in next stitch. 1 and 2. Make 2 double crochet in next stitch. 1 and 2. So continue up to end. It will turn total 32 double crochet including this chain. Now here we have got 32 double crochet. Now slip stitch in the top of chain 1, 2 and 3. Now work for round 3. Make 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3. This 3 chain count as 1 double crochet. Now make 1 double crochet in same stitch. So here we have got 2 double crochet. Now make 1 double crochet in next stitch. Make 2 double crochet in next stitch. 1 and 2. Make 1 double crochet in next stitch. Make 2 double crochet in next stitch. 1 and 2. Make 1 double crochet in next stitch. So the pattern is make 2 double crochet in next stitch, 1 and 2, and make 1 double crochet in next stitch. So continue up to end. 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet. So we will get total 48 double crochet including this chain. Now slip stitch in this top of chain. Now give a knot and fasten off. Now secure the yarn. Insert the yarn in the needle, or you can use crochet hook also. Now cut the extra yarn. Now take another yarn, give a slip knot, insert the yarn in any stitch. Now work for round 4, make 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3. This 3 chain count as 1 double crochet. Now make 2 chain, this 2 chain count as chain space. Now make 1 double crochet in same stitch. Now here we have got a little V stitch. Now skip 2 stitch and make 1 double crochet. Make 2 chain and make 1 double crochet in same chain space. This is the another V stitch. So following the pattern, skip 2 stitch, make 1 double crochet, then make 2 chain and then make double crochet in same stitch. So let's see the pattern again. Skip 2 stitch and make 1 double crochet, then make 2 chain and make 1 double crochet in same stitch. So continue all around. Now in the last slip stitch in this third chain, 1, 2 and 3. Now give a knot and cut the extra yarn. Now give a knot or secure the yarn with needle. I am giving knot. You can use needle also. Now cut the extra yarn. Now take another yarn, give a slip knot, insert the yarn in any 2 chain space. Now work for last round, make the petal. So first make 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3. This 3 chain count as 1 double crochet. Now make more 3 double crochet in the same chain space. 1, 2 and 3. So pull the yarn, insert the hook in this first top of chain which count as 1 double crochet. Now pull the yarn through. Now make 2 chain, make single crochet in this hole, make 2 chain, make single crochet in the hole and again make 2 chain and then make single crochet. So we need to do it 3 times. Then make 2 chain and make single crochet in this double crochet gap. This is the first petal. It is little bit different to make other one. Now make 2 chain, 1 and 2. Then make 4 double crochet in this next 2 chain space. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Pull the yarn, insert the hook in this first double crochet, then pull through the yarn, then make 2 chain and make single crochet in this hole in this, then make 2 chain, again make single crochet in this hole, make 2 chain and again make single crochet in this hole. Now make 2 chain and make single crochet in this double crochet gap. So the pattern is make 2 chain, then make 4 double crochet in this 2 chain gap. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then insert the hook in this first double crochet, then pull through it, make 2 chain, make single crochet in this hole, make 2 chain, make single crochet in this hole and again make 2 chain and single crochet in this hole. So make 2 chain, make single crochet in this double crochet gap, so continue all around up to end. So now the last V stitch left, so now we will work on it. Make 2 chain, then make 4 double crochet in this 2 chain space. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Pull the yarn, insert the hook in the first double crochet, then pull through it, then make 2 chain, insert the hook in this hole and make single crochet, then make 2 chain, insert in this hole and make single crochet, make 2 chain and again make single crochet. Now make 2 chain, make single crochet in this double crochet gap, make 2 chain and slip stitch in this very first chain in this top of chain. 1, 2 and 3 in this third chain. Now give a knot and cut the extra yarn. Now give a knot, or you can secure it with needle. Now cut the extra yarn. Now this is the coaster. Thanks for watching.